Welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Hi everybody, welcome to the show. Today we're going to make hors d'oeuvres. So to start out, I have 4 pieces of regular bread. You can use any kind of bread you want, fancy bread. And I'm going to start by cutting them in half. Now one trick you might do if you have kids handy is you might use a jar or something like that and just cut out the center of it and then toast those. But since it's us 2 adults today, I'm doing this like this. So I'm making 4 for each of these. And this is just an Italian mix. You could put on whatever you want. But I'm going to put this Italian mix on here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to toast these. I've sprayed this with a Pam, and now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it in the toaster oven. I basically just put it on toast. Next time I do this, I'll try the new wave and see how we like that. But this is basically a couple of minutes and these will be ready to go. We'll have hors d'oeuvres. I'll grab some plates. Couple plates, and of course I have to make a mess. We'll take a cleanup break in a little bit, but you have to stir this a little bit. It was in the refrigerator and it's the refrigerator is kind of running cold. So I put it in the microwave and warmed it up, and what it did was it loosened up all of the oil and the olives and everything that's in this. And you can use different things for this treat. You know, this could have been cheese, this could be guacamole. You can put a lot of things on a toasted brioche, I think you say. Or just a piece of toast. Okay, so that's all stirred up. And I use a spoon that came with one of my Oriental orders one time. This is for Chinese soup. I like it a real lot because it's a ceramic scoop. And it's at a better angle than a spoon. A spoon is hard to get in here. So this is how you make a fast tapenade hors d'oeuvre. Now I could have made pico de gallo. That would have been good also. But this is what it looks like, and it's delicious. You can buy it on the internet or in the local store. So don't let me forget to remind you, subscribe, and also click on the bell so when we drop a new video, you get notified. And for the detailed instructions, you can go to our website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. There you'll find instructions and details and recipes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. That's our show for today. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the bell so when we drop a new video, you'll get notified. Goodbye for now.